Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Zoom Workplace app on your Android phone. Whether you're joining an online class, attending a business meeting, or hosting a video call, Zoom makes it easy to connect from anywhere. First, download and install the Zoom Workplace app from the Google Play Store if you have not already. Once the installation is complete, open the app on your Android phone. If you already have a Zoom account, tap Sign in and enter your account credentials. If you don't have one, tap Sign up to create a new account. To join a meeting, tap the Join button on the home screen. Enter the meeting ID provided by the host. Type your name and enter the meeting passcode if one is required. Then tap Join Meeting to enter the call. If you want to host your own meeting, tap New Meeting, enable your camera, and if you like, and tap in Meeting. During the meeting, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, share your screen if the feature is available, and use the chat option to send messages to other participants. When you're finished, tap Leave or End in the top corner. Then confirm your choice to exit the meeting. And that's it. That's how you can use Zoom on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.